So in this video, I'm gonna tell you the top 5 tips to help you if you're brand new to the industry. So the first thing I wanna talk about, this job is not about making drinks.
Whoa, dude.
This job is about customer service and creating a unique experience for your customers. And that doesn't mean that you don't have to know how to pour, but you don't need to know 200, 300, 400 different recipes to be a good bartender. Which brings me to number 2, and that customer service is king. And that usually just means trying to help somebody out, just trying to help them enjoy the experience as best as you can, because that is what's going to bring them back, and that is what is going to make you valuable to your establishment and you valuable to your customers.
Best goddamn bartender from Timbuktu to Portland, Maine.
Number 3 is basically 2 things: being reliable and being a team player. So we'll call it being a good employee. This means going above and beyond what your duties may entail. So if you're a bartender and you're not slammed and you're walking around the establishment and you see the busboy is really busy and you can help him clear off a table so that they can get that table resat, then grab a bus tub and help out. If they call you and they need a shift covered hostessing, then be a team player and step up.
He's a team player.
The more we can contribute and genuinely try to help our customers and the establishment really is where you're gonna find your success and opportunities in this business. Next, number 4 is getting to know your locals. Learn their name, learn their drinks, learn what their food habits might be.
Hungry enough to chew the crotch out of a ragdoll.
If you can continue to build those relationships and sustain them long term, what will happen is they will become loyal to you. They'll ask, when are you working next? When are you working on a regular basis? The old Cheers cliche, when Norm used to walk into the bar and everybody would go, "Norm!" That feels good. It feels like you're part of a tribe. It feels like you're coming into a place where people know you and you fit in there and you're part of a family. If you can get to know your customers to the point where they feel like they're part of your family at that establishment, that's good for your boss's bottom line, so he's gonna like it. It's gonna be good for our tips because we have more regulars coming in that are giving not only the bar business, but us business. They're voting with their tipping dollars that they like us.
Here's a tip from my tip jar.
And then the other key to success is be willing to start in other positions. The number 1 way to get started with no experience is to be willing to start in positions other than bartending. Now, if you're adamant about, like, I'm not gonna start in any other position, it's going to be much more difficult for you to find an establishment that's gonna give you an opportunity if you have no experience. It's not impossible and it happens all the time, but the most common scenario is that bartenders are promoted from within from other positions.
That is it.
As soon as you're in an establishment, you will eventually get a shot to become a bartender. It just comes down to letting them know what your interests are, letting them know your intentions of, hey, I want to become a bartender. And if you're doing all of these things, you will get a shot. Other than that, that'll do it for this one.
They say you should drink water, but I subscribe to the law of...
I'm Jason. This is making you a bartending pro.
I think I figured out which website I want to subscribe to.
I'll see you on the next episode soon. Take care. Cheers.